Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install Photoshop actions. So, let's get started. First of all, go to the top menu bar, select Window, and then choose Actions. This will make the panel appear. Once the Actions panel is open, look at the top right corner and click on the icon with 4 horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu, choose Load Actions. A window will open, allowing you to locate the folder where your actions are stored. These files typically have the .atn extension. Locate the action you want to load, click on it once to select it, and then press Load. After a brief moment, the actions will appear in the panel. That's all there is to it. You can now select the desired action and click play to run it. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.